Try this Indian secret to grow hair and lengthen your hair rapidly. In today's video, what I will be sharing with you is a recipe to stop hair loss and to lengthen hair quickly. Hair loss can occur due to many reasons, such as genetics, changing hormone levels, or as part of the natural aging process. Ensure you watch this short video till the end to know the secret. Before I proceed to share the Indian secret to grow hair and lengthen your hair, just take a few seconds to subscribe to our channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button to be the first to watch our new videos. Now, what you simply need in order to prepare the recipe is cloves. This is because clove helps to increase hair growth. Also, we need rice as well. Rice is a natural remedy to stimulate hair growth quickly. How to prepare the recipe? First, rinse the rice to remove any dirt or impurities. After that, simply put 2 tablespoons of rice in a glass bottle. Then add 2 tablespoons of cloves. Add a large cup of water into it and cover the bottle. Now, keep the bottle at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows the ingredients to ferment and release all the vitamins and minerals. After 24 hours, filter the mixture using a strainer. To extract rice water and cloves, transfer rice water into a spray bottle. Now let's see how to use the recipe on the hair. Apply the recipe to the hair using a spray bottle. Spray on the scalp, then the entire hair. Then do a scalp massage for 2 minutes. Simply use this recipe 1 to 2 hours before washing your hair. After 2 hours, wash your hair with shampoo. Use this recipe 3 times a week for you to get a great result. You will definitely get a great result from the first week. This recipe is simply a natural remedy to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. You can preserve the rest in the fridge, and you can use it for up to 2 weeks. You can share your experience in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon for more helpful video like this.